A newly emerging technology is the Nearpod VR goggles. Essentially what these are is a virtual reality goggle that links to the Nearpod website. Students are able to take virtual field trips and put this headset on to actually immerse themselves into the topic, the location, whatever they are learning about. How it works is first you have to download the Nearpod application. Once you are on the application and you open it, you would click on Join. From there, you have to enter a code for the lesson. Then, once you are in the lesson, you would put a device such as an iPhone into the VR goggles to begin your experience. There are many different ways that the VR goggles can be integrated into lessons. They can be used in pretty much any subject area. And the purpose of it is to enhance the learning experience for students. It's very engaging for them, and students are able to experience real-world situations. For example, in reading, students can be learning about coral reefs, and to engage them into the lesson before getting started, you could have students take a virtual field trip to a coral reef. They would put on the VR goggles, they would be able to experience the life that lives in the coral reefs, the fish, the coral, and it's just a great way to get students immersed into what you're talking about. Another example is if students are learning about the Port of Baltimore. You can go onto a virtual field trip where you can firsthand experience these through the VR goggles. Some students might not have the opportunity to actually go there, so this is a great alternative to showing students what they are learning about through this experience of virtual reality.